So if you all of a sudden you can make 100 videos in 5 days, all
Oh
of a
my
sudden,
goodness.
and then you're getting calls. I'm getting a call here, getting a call here.
And what you're doing is turning on this massive traffic faucet
Yes.
to these paper call offers, and they're paying you huge income. This is crazy. We should do this ourselves.
James and Dave here with Making Money with AI. I have been a super affiliate in a niche called pay-per call marketing, and I'm going to show you how to make over 5 figures a month with pay-per call marketing and AI. Check it out.
So just to clarify what pay per call marketing is, it's kind of like affiliate marketing where you get paid a referral commission for referring people to a specific phone number. So normally affiliate marketing, you refer people through your special link, and that link tracks your sales so that you get paid a commission, right? But with pay per call, the phone number is what's tracking that activity. So the more phone calls you can send to these different offers, the more money you make.
Yeah, exactly. And years ago, I was really involved in pay-per-call marketing. But the reason why I kind of got out of it a little bit was that there was a lot of manual work to do things to get seen, for my phone numbers to get seen. Well, just my brain has been exploded with what I knew back then, where I was we made well over 6 figures with pay-per-call marketing, and where we are right now. I know that this is absolutely ripe for the picking because number one, there's all kinds of different networks that are out there that will pay you big money, and we're going to show you that in a second. Big money to just get people on a phone call. See, here's the thing: how I made a ton of my money was what I was doing is I was sending people to insurance numbers. Okay, specifically, it was with Allstate. So back in the day with Allstate, you want to get insurance, and so you want to get car insurance, and you would do a search for different insurance providers, and I would get myself in different places on the internet. Now, when you called a 1-800 number, you're not thinking about what the number is, but when you were calling a 1-800 number, little did you know that was actually my 1-800 number. I had a specific 1-800 number for me. And these pay-per-call networks, that's what they do. They give you specific numbers that's just for you. That when someone calls that number, it then gets rerouted. It gets smart routed to their call center. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to talk to anybody, and you don't have to spend any money of your own. They get to the right person, then what happens is these networks will say, okay, we'll pay you $30. We'll pay you $200. We'll pay you anywhere in between to say, okay, if someone can just stay on a phone call for 30 seconds, that's a valid lead to us. If someone just calls and hangs up, no, we're not going to pay for that. But we can verify that this was a real person on the call, whether or not that we close them or not. If someone gets insurance with us, for example, because people pay month after month after month, hundreds of dollars, that insurance person could be worth $5,000 for them. That's how they're able to pay you $15 a call, $30 a call, etc. So this is a huge world that most people don't even know exists. I crushed it with this, but now we're going to show you where to get all these phone numbers for free and how to get traffic without having to spend money to do so. Let's break it down, Dave.
So you can go to a variety of different affiliate networks. We're looking here at OfferVault. Now, OfferVault is a place where you can find all kinds of affiliate offers from all kinds of affiliate networks. What we're looking at here, as you can see, is pay-per-call offers. So pay-per-call offer, for example, this particular company will pay you $30 if somebody calls in to learn about solar, okay? This one is more of a legal one, and they'll pay $250 per call, right? Because again, attorneys, they get paid a lot of money, especially if they land a big deal. So 250 to them is no big deal. And you've got bankruptcy, $24. You've got health insurance. You've got all different kinds. This one pays up to $75 for HVAC appointments. This one's Spectrum, cable TV, pest control, satellite. Look at all this stuff. Final expense insurance, $30.
Well,
Death
think
cell.
about this, Dave. Think about this. So there's all these
Yeah.
different offers, right? So you might not be excited about pest control. But first of all, let's show them a YouTube channel, Dave. Okay, this YouTube channel here is a perfect representation of this. So Diabetes Smarts, they have videos they create without a face, without you knowing who the person is, and all this does is create videos about diabetes and how to help with your diabetes, etc. And they're pushing it to an affiliate program, a ClickBank offer in this case. Now, what you could do, there's many different ways that you can use AI, but one way is you could be going onto YouTube, and we'll have a link to a tool that you can use that'll actually make these Facebook videos, or excuse me, these YouTube videos below. But the bottom line is you can create videos around that topic. You could make a faceless YouTube channel where they have
Wow.
no idea who you are, and all you're doing is talking about pest control. So you go into ChatGPT and you say, first of all, what are the top 100 topics to talk about pest control? And it might say, here's how you stop mice. What are the biggest pests? There's rats, there's mice, there's termites, there's all this kind of stuff. How do we stop that? And basically, you just take what ChatGPT gives you all around pest control, the problems people have, how to solve it. You make these faceless videos, and guess what? In the video, if you have a problem with pest control, call
Wow.
1-800 123 456 whatever, and you're going to start you're giving people value. People are searching on YouTube, how do I stop pest control? And they can look for information, but ultimately most people are going to say, okay, yeah, but can I just pay someone to take care of this for me? Because the video might say, you got termites, you probably need some professional help here, so call 1-800 boom 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 boom. And the thing is, with these offers here, these are large companies. These are, in most cases, these companies are national companies. So it doesn't matter if some dude is in California. It doesn't matter if they're in a small town in Maine. And it also doesn't matter where you're from. You could be from India doing this.
Right.
And so bottom line is they call this phone number, and some phone numbers, it might not work. Maybe somebody's calling from Bahamas, so therefore they're not there. But who cares? You start giving people good information on pest control, because most people aren't going to make a pest control channel, because most people aren't excited about pest control. But you know what? Those industries exist for a reason, because there's a need. There's like these dirty niches. There's a need for people to get their pest control handled. So they're motivated to make that call. So if you all of a sudden, you can make 100 videos in 5 days, all
Oh
of a
my
sudden,
goodness.
and then you're getting calls. I'm getting a call here, getting a call here.
Okay, I got to interject here, James, because this is ridiculously awesome. This is crazy. I don't know if you really realize what you're laying out here, but because you've done pay-per call so long and so well, and you were so good at it, that maybe you're not seeing how crazy amazing this is. This could be a course that we could do, and we probably should do, because I never thought about using video, YouTube, for pay-per-call. And what you're doing is turning on this massive traffic faucet to these pay-per-call offers, and they're paying you huge income. This is crazy. We should do this ourselves.
Well, yeah, and that's the thing, Dave. It's like I see, there's this epiphany, and that's what's so great about our channel is we can't be in everything. We can't be in all places at once, but at the same time, AI is more and more allowing us to do this. This kind of market, this market has existed. I've crushed it in the past with this, but I just have not. I'm only one person, but that's the beautiful thing about AI, is that now I can basically click a button and go after where I know there's opportunity, but I don't have to spend 12 hours a day to make it happen. I can spend seconds or minutes, or I can pay someone a little bit of money to I have the vision and say, okay, here's my phone number. I want you to go to ChatGPT, make 100 videos of this. I'll pay you $50. Let's just say they give me the 50 videos, and boom, 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 boom. I mean, yeah, you can do it for free, but you can also spend $50. But imagine if you're given a system where you can go after a certain niche, and you could be getting paid. This isn't just today or tomorrow. You could be getting paid years from this stuff. So this is a
crazy.
huge video.
This is crazy. I don't know if people get this. Okay, what you've just done here, James, is you've combined pay-per-call, which is revolutionary in its own right. You've combined the ability to easily make videos with AI. I'm talking, you put in a script that you got from ChatGPT, and in a few minutes, you've got a video. You could do 100 of those in a day if you really wanted to. And now you could just do this. You're also combining with faceless YouTube channel, which is also a proven model. Okay, I'm really stunned with this, and I'm going to be doing it because this is way too easy to do. And maybe we should do a course on this for our audience too. Let us know in the comments down below if a course about this would be interesting to you. I'm curious, because this is really mind-boggling to me.
And Dave, well, one thing we're thinking about doing, and I'd love to get people's comments below, but one thing we're thinking about doing is doing a membership site. So where we can go much deeper into these things and go more step by step. So if that's something you'd be interested in, to be in a membership site where we pull back all the layers and we start to show you step by step how to make this kind of stuff, let us know, and we're going to probably put that together.
Sounds good. Well, I hope you guys got a lot of value out of this. I know I did. I'm not faking this. This is mind-boggling. I see it because I can see the ease of all the things that James just said. I can see how easy it is to sign up and get a pay-per-call phone number. That's super easy. I can see how easy it is to make videos, hundreds of them with this new AI tool. We'll have a link to that in the description. And I can see how easy it is to create a channel that's faceless that you don't even have to like talk on the channel yourself. It's so ridiculous. I'm really stunned today, James. You said something about this before we made this video, but I didn't really fully get it until you were actually speaking it. So hope you all like that. And we'll see you next time on Making Money with AI. I'm going to go run and create a faceless channel right now.